Alright, I got some of my homemade compost. I'm going to put it in this grow bag that has all the wood chips and logs in it. Then I have some other compost that I bought. It hasn't rained in a while and it's still got some wetness to it. It's already growing some things. Been in the back of this truck for way too long. But I'm going to go ahead and start. I'm going to load this one in. Alright, here we go. These dump carts are extremely awesome. Make things so much more simple. Oh well. My homemade compost is a lot of goat manure, wood, like leaves and pieces of sticks, and a lot of vegetables that we didn't use up, and they started going to waste, but they don't go to waste if you put them in the compost. Gotta shove them all, shove it all around the side some. Just fill up the bag more. Not, it's just gonna cave in or sink in on the sides completely. If I did this with just compost itself, this would take forever and cost a lot of money. But with doing it with big logs and wood chips, this will, when the wood breaks down, even right now it's pretty decayed, it should hold a lot of moisture. And so when the soil dries out on top, that log or whatever the wood chips should release the water through capillary action and get the drier soil wet and keep my plants from drying out during this crazy summer. Actually, this summer has been really rainy, so I'm not sure what I'm talking about, but it's really hot, but not to our standards either. So it's been a weird year. Anyway, I'm going to finish filling this up and I'll show you what it looks like. Hey, I'm growing something already. That's fast. That's pretty fertile soil right there. Already growing something. This is what is it called? I'm trying to say plantain.
Nope, not that.
Sure, I want that actually, but it's a weed that you can eat. Anyway, that's what the bed looks like. Fully full, and I'll plant it out later on. I got to get the rest of this soil out, so I may do a little grow bag somewhere over here or something. Well, I decided to plant my peanuts in here. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plants. They are looking pretty nice. They're growing bigger. They were in a little 4x4 pot. And they weren't doing very good. And I think this is the I have to remember what that is. I'll put what it is right here. Purslane. Peppers in this other bed. And that's looking nice over here. Alright, well this is the update for this. These peanuts look really happy in here. I don't know if I waited too long to transplant them or not, but they're looking really happy. I'm not sure if they're gonna bloom anymore. I know they bloomed a few times in the little pots that they were in. Yeah, I'm gonna just let that go to seed, I think. And then this bed looks really happy. These peppers I've never seen get this big. Uh-oh, something's trying to kill this one. I may try to put a little soil up it and try to give it some help. Sometimes this actually seems to help, other times it seems to make it worse. So we'll see. Well, I like the look of that. Okay, this is my peanut bed. The same one that was in the video just a second ago. They're growing really well. There's definitely signs that the peanuts have started growing in the ground right here, I believe. My hand won't make it go away. This is the one. There's wood down here. And it's rotting right now, and the soil, which is actually compost, is not really soil, but you know, whatever. It's just growing in compost. This is a weed right here. They come out so easy. Here's another one. You don't want those to make it where the little peanut flowers get stopped from going into the ground, or they won't grow, I don't believe. Alright, well, if you like this video, like and subscribe, and hopefully in the fall I'll have some peanuts to show y'all. Y'all have a good one. Bye.